Hi guys, welcome to another project breakdown session. This time I have another song that I would like to go over with you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel and to help me to create more contents for you guys. And also check out my channel other playlist. I've included some links throughout the tutorial here. You guys can check it out and help support me, and I can go over a lot of different tips and major or tricks that I've done in the past, right? So today I'm going to, go over this track here. Now this is Drink With Me from Les Mis. I have asked some of my students to do some singing here and there, and also some musician colleagues doing collaboration together for this Drink With Me project for isolation and all that. Also is fun, and it's including a video as well, so I can include the links above, so you can click on that and see some simple projects that we can actually do within our homes over the internet to collaborate, which is nice, right? And you guys can do that too with some, like simple software, some fixing of, or not exactly fixing, but polishing of the recording, right? Now, let's see. I have myself, and then I have, this is Danny's harmony. I'll include all the links that I can find with these musicians, and you guys can check them out. Some of them pretty nice. Danny harmony, Danny voice, and then I have Suen. I have this is Peter, Kathy, Hill, another voice. I only use one of her voices. Ricky, Connie Carr. 1, 2, 3. I think it's nine in total, 9 voices, which is a lot of editing. So for vocal fixing and polishing, I have another tutorial. I can include a link above. You guys can check it out. 7 steps to quickly polish up your vocal tracks. So it's pretty nice. I'm not going to go over that. What I did at first, I need a track for people to sing with. So I played the piano part for this based on a sheet music that Hilda gave me. You see this little video, it's I was kind of going back and forth, like did the video, did some vocal first, and then did the video, asked them to film themselves, and I put the video together, and then after that I have to go back to the vocal to the project and fix some minor stuff to make sure it's linked together or synced together, right? So this is the piano part that I did, and then I sent to everybody to sing to. So of course I don't need to do any beat mapping with this. It's already to the beat. What I did, it's because once I know everything is to the beat, then I can add, because it's just piano, it's boring, right? And then I added drums. Now the drum part is Drummer from Logic Pro 10, so it's very nice. I do have other drum plugins, but I can go over those with you guys later. Normally for smaller projects, I just try to keep it simple, and it's not too bad to use the Drummer from Logic Pro 10, right? Especially if you are collaborating the project itself with other musicians around you, you're going to send the project to them, make sure they have the same plugin as well. So if they don't have other plugins that I use, then there's no point of collaborating, or unless you bounce it out into WAV file, which in this project I did not do. Anyway, piano, what I used for piano, let's take a look. Oh, I use this Ascent by Heaviosity, I believe. It's pretty nice because they have the basic concert D piano. They also have other rhythmic and other ambient, other crazy cinematic sound. So, but it's a huge library. So it depends on the project type that you want or the sound that you want. Now, drummer I talked about, and that's pretty much it, because I did not want to overpowering all the vocals, because the vocals are actually from, at different levels. Some are vocal coaches, some are our students. So in this case, I want to have a pretty basic feeling to it. Drink with me from Les Mis. And then I send, as you can see from here, I send almost, except for the piano, almost everything to bus 10, 11, and 12. And you can look at here. This is bus 10. I did not label. I should have labeled it. Oh God, where is it? So this is the room reverb. This is the long reverb. This is the delay. There we go. Easy. So I send everything to the room reverb, a little bit more. And then I always send something to the long delay, which is, the lingering effect. Long reverb, not long delay. I keep saying this wrong, even in the previous tutorial. Now, as you can see, this is super long cathedral reverb by FabFilter Pro R. I EQ'd it out. I don't want all the boxy part and all the muddy part lingering long enough to mess up my whole mix, right? So I EQ'd it. I don't want the low end part. I don't want too much of the high end part to bouncing back and forth. So I just took the middle, like around 2K to 5K. That's what I want. That's the sound I want. And let's see, where is me? This is me. So, witty girls who went to our beds, here's to them. And here, it's just a little bit of, if you wear your headphone, you can tell. It's a little bit like longer reverb in a higher frequency, which is nice. And most of the reverb is actually room delay, room reverb. And I send some to the delay part. Can it be? You can tell by the meter. You feel it's very tiny apart. Very tiny amount. And once you put everything together, remember you and you fall. Could it be your death means nothing at all? It's your life. Now, of course, when I'm collaborating, I asked everybody, just to keep it simple and stupid, asked everybody to sing all parts. So you can, why is my project in chunks, right? So I asked everyone to sing everything, and I get all the tracks, right? And I maybe fix everything, maybe not. And then I asked them to film and sing at the same time. So these are not very high quality. It's just an iPhone, but I just want to keep it simple and stupid. It's a very small project here. And then once, what I did, first step, piano, drums, my voice, and then I send the whole thing to everybody. And then they sing according to the music, and to my voice is optional, and then film themselves. After that part, I got the video and I put the video together. Some clips I can use, some clips I cannot use, and I have to incorporate everybody into the project. So I don't want like 9 squares all the time, right? I want it to be a little bit more fancy. So you can check it out. Check out the link above and see what I've done with the video. Because of that, I don't have everyone's face showing in the video. So I have to edit the vocal part back in the Logic according to whose face showing. That's why you see like all these blocks. Some are blue. Blue is me. Blue is showing. This track is me. So I'm only showing 4 times in the video. Harmony, I got it like forever, ever since after the second verse or something. And then Danny's part, and then Suan's part, you know, like everybody got their turn to show in the video. Cats, why Cats has more part? Because her voice is in the higher register. It's the female voice, and I need more in a higher frequency. So I'm kind of robbing her voice in this project. And then, yeah, everyone's pretty even, right? I hope. Anyway, so when I put everything together, and the last step is to mix it well. No, shortcut, when you press A, you can actually automate the volume, the fader, okay, the volume. So according to, because so many voices coming together, so I have to like slowly adjust each voice to make sure the sound is balanced in the end. So a lot of automation with the volume control. But anyhow, in the end, just simple mastering of, you know, just to make sure it's final polish of the track. It's not really like analog recording studio mastering, don't get me wrong, but you know, just a nice step at the end to kind of finish it up with OTT and Ozone 9 and all that. So anyway, so this is a very simple, it takes a long time because so many voices, but it's not very complicated in terms of music tracks. And I hope you guys like it. Click on the link above and enjoy, and also like and subscribe my channel to help me record more content for you guys, and to share with you guys about what I've done in my projects and project breakdown session and other tutorial. Anything you might want to know, or might want me to cover, or you know, interested in, you can let me know as well. Leave me a comment, and I'll try to make a video about that as well. And if not, I'll just see what I'm interested in and thought you guys might want to know, and I'll share with you in my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.